Washing machine is one of the basic home appliances that is to help our job become easier and to improve our lifestyle. Commonly, this machine help people to do their laundry by using water and some laundry detergent either in the form of solid or liquid.
Okay, now let's talk about the applications of washing machine. Basically, washing machine is able to clean your clothes, shoes and backpacks in a more efficient way compared to hand washing. But for shoes, remember to remove the laces and stash them in a mesh laundry bag before washing. For materials used and their properties, I would like to focus on the hot dip galvanizing process. Just like what Prof. T had taught during the lecture, when exposed to atmosphere, the pure zinc reacts with the oxygen to form zinc oxide, which further reacts with carbon dioxide to form zinc carbonate that protects the steel underneath from further corrosion in many circumstances. In short, zinc carbonate acts as a sacrificial layer. Next, I would like to talk more about stainless steel. Stainless steel contains iron, carbon, and at least 10.5% of chromium content. The chromium is key as it reacts with oxygen to create a passive layer that again protects the steel from corrosion. Porcelain enameling is the application of glass-like coatings to metals such as steel, cast iron, aluminium, or copper. The purpose of the coating is to improve resistance, chemicals, abrasion and water, and also to improve thermal stability, electrical resistance, and appearance. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will be explaining about the manufacturing process of washing machine. The manufacturing process of washing machine is split into three processes, which are fabrication, sub-assemblies, and assembly. First, I will explain about the fabrication process. Machine presses a piece of sheet metal between two halves of a mold called a die, where if this is possible, the metal is fed directly from a coil into the press, and when it is not possible, the metal is to cut to length and manually placed into the die. Next, plastic parts are formed in an ejection molding machine, and when the mold is opened, the part is pushed out by ejector pins. And last step in this process is aluminium transmission parts are formed into a rough shape in a die-cast machine, which later will give its final shape by various machines. The second process is sub-assemblies. The transmission is assembled manually by bolting, snapping, or pressing several shafts and gears together. Next, the pump is assembled by placing the impeller and seals in the cover and body and seal the pump. And after the top has been rolled into a drum shape, the side is welded. The drum is then placed on an expander. A bottom is welded onto the drum and is smooth, and the thumb is then polished so it won't snag closed. The balance ring is the large weight that stabilizes the washer and keeps the machine from moving when it is in use. Last but not least, several painting processes are used by manufacturers, and some of them are by using steel, chemicals, and even powder. The last step of this manufacturing process is assembly. You can watch this video for an easy understanding.
With the motor in place, assemblers now turn over the completed outer tub and lower it into position on its base. They connect the support struts on all four sides and then push the tub to make sure the struts align properly and keep the machine balanced. Next, the inner tub is set into the outer tub. Workers insert a stainless steel shaft right through both tubs. A strip of watertight foam is set all along the outer tub's perimeter to seal it before workers install a plastic bezel that keeps water from splashing out of the machine. Next, assemblers install the drive pulley onto the shaft that supports the inner tub. A drive belt connects the motor to the pulley, which rotates the shaft and the inner tub that it supports. Now they slide a stainless steel outer cabinet onto the base that covers the tubs. It contains a control board, the brain of the washing machine. The assembler sets the lid into place, and the machine is complete.
For our brand local product is Pensonic. Pensonic is the first electrical home appliance made in Malaysia that found by Datuk Seri Chu Wen Kangkin in Balik Pulau Penang. As a conclusion, different types of washing machine that leads to one main application, which is to clean our clothes. So we need to preserve our washing machine so that we can perform our laundry better. That's all. Thank you.